Hello and welcome to Module 3. Today we'll be talking about dialog managers and dialog state handlers. So let's define a dialog state handler. Conversational interactions consist of steps called dialog states. So the dialog manager analyzes each of the incoming requests and assigns it to a dialog state handler, which will then execute the required and appropriate logic and return a response. This process is called dialog state tracking. So where you are in a conversation is the dialog state. Dialog manager figures out what exactly that state is and helps navigate to give the right response so that the conversation can progress through the right series of states in order to achieve some desired goal. So what are the high-level steps for implementing a dialog state tracker in MindMeld? Number one, we import the application class from the MindMeld package. Number two, we define the application instance to serve as the parent container for the application. Then number three, we use the app handle decorator in order to define the pattern that when matched will invoke the associated handler function. This is how we control the logic that we need to implement when we know what state of the conversation we're in. And then fourth, we specify the handler function welcome to define the welcome dialog state and return the desired response. So this is one example of actually implementing these handlers, and we'll go through a lot of them in this video. So we decided that welcome would be one of our dialog states based on the scripting exercise in step 2. So this refers to some of the example queries that we saw earlier. So for the rest of this module, we will now be going over actually implementing these dialog state handlers.